Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you how to delete a photo from Facebook. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Give me likes. Let's get started. To do this, we will need on our cell phones, tablets, or computers. Go to Facebook. Then we need to open the menu in the bottom right corner. Then on the top left, click on your profile. Here we have a photo reels post. Click on Photo. Scroll down and here we have our photos. We can select one of them, and in order to delete in the upper right corner, click on the three dots. There is Save Photo, Copy Photo, Share, Send Messenger. We click on Delete Photo, and after that here we select Delete, and click Delete. After that our photo will be completely deleted from Facebook. You can also delete it from posts. Click Post. Scroll down. You'll have it here. Click on these three dots. And there you'll have it. When you delete it, it'll disappear. But if it doesn't disappear, it'll say Delete. You can click and delete it. That's the easy way to do it. If you liked this video, you can like it, subscribe to the channel. Thank you, everybody. See you again. Goodbye.